That wasn't supposed to happen, was it?
Look at the painting! A while ago, we were so happy. Now, we're sad. Anong nangyayari? Jollibee, bakit nawala ang kulay natin?
So it seems that the smoke had something to do with this. It took all the colors of Jollytown.
Guys, what could that black cloud be?
At last, nabago ko ng Jollytown.
I think I remember.
Ikaw ang engkantada ng kaharian ng Sonrisa.
Patitigilin ko ang inyong kasiyahan. Now, where did the black smoke go? Oh, no. Everything is gray. Huh? Oh, parang may liwanag dun ah. Oo nga, no? May ilaw nga dun. I think I know where it's coming from. Oh, the magic well, of course. I'm so happy to see your colors. Come on, guys.
Oh, wow.
There's still some color in it. This is a good sign.
Interesting. Whoa! Hey!
What do you want from Jollytown? Patitigilin ko ang inyong kasiyahan. Gusto ko na walang ngingiti o tatawa sa Jollytown.
What? Hey!
No way!
But why would anyone want to do that to Jollytown?
Who would do such a thing?
Yeah.
Oh, I really wish I had my mist analyzer.
Hetty, Karina, you're back! Siya ang engkantada ng Sonrisa.
She's the one who turned Jollytown black and white and sad.
Billy, please tell us what you know.
Siya yung masungit na engkantada. Wala siyang kaibigan at parating nakasimangot at galit.
Oh, ang engkantada! How could I forget?
Kahit yung alaga niyang dragon, ayaw sa kanya, di ba?
Oh, yeah.
Bakit ba siya galit sa kasiyahan? Siguro kailangan lang niya ng kaibigan. Maybe she just needs to learn how to sing and dance like we all do.
Yeah.
Right.
I wish. Sana bumalik ang saya at kulay ng Jollytown.
Uy! Ayan na naman!
Hey, maybe we can run and catch her. Popo, Yum, let's go.
Okay,
You can
okay.
do it,
Yeah,
Frank.
right behind you.
Take care. Be careful. I wish our painting gets fixed. Sana bumalik ang kulay natin. I wish we can practice our musical again. Sana sumaya na tayo ulit. Sana hindi na malungkot o galit ang engkantada. Look, it's glowing. Come back, Popo. Si Popo talaga. Parating nagpapatawa. But we're glad you're back.
Hindi namin mahabol si Encantada.
Ang bilis niya.
Well, we can all wish together, right?
Tama. Baka mas mabilis ang pagbalik ng mga kulay sa Jollytown.
Yeah.
Here's my wish. I wish for Jollytown to be the happiest place it used to be. Will you join me?
I wish for Jollytown to be the happiest place it used to be.
Come on, kids! Louder!
Sige, lakasan pa natin.
At kayo rin, mga bata. Sali din kayo, ha?
I wish for Jollytown to be the happiest place it used to be. Look at all those colorful musical notes. I think the well wants us to sing.
Are you thinking what I'm thinking?
The wishing well knows best and has always helped us. I can read those musical notes. I can take the lead. Cool. I think that will work, Twirly.
I think if we all work together, we can save Jollytown and make it the happiest place it used to be.
Yeah.
Okay, everyone. What are we waiting for? Let's do it!
Woo! Is everybody ready?
Ready.
I'll start and you follow my lead. Okay? Kids, join us. Pag nabubugnot, buhay ay nagbibili.
think it's working, Twirly.
Yes, it is. Come on, all together now.
Kay sarap, ngumiti lahat ay tumawa. May kulay ang buhay kapag masaya. Tanggalin ang iwi, huwag mag-alala. Magkakakulay ang buhay kung puso ay may ligaya.
Hey, look, everyone. The colors are slowly coming back.
Mahilig din tayo sumayaw sa Jollytown. Baka bumilis ang pagbalik ng kulay kapag sumayaw din tayo. Great idea! I'll help! I'll lead the dance!
Cool.
Yeah, go for it, Hetty!
Here we go.
When you're down and blue, the sunny skies seem to turn gray. But there's one thing I hold true. There's always a better way. Can you see
A golden night coming into view.
for you and me?
Our happy colors
In a beautiful rainbow too. Put a smile on your face, that's a good way to start. The world's a colorful place with a song in your heart. Leave your worries behind, turn a frown upside down. Spread the love you find, 'cause life's a colorful job. Put a smile on your face, that's a good way to start. The world's a colorful place with a song in your heart. Leave your worries behind, turn a frown upside down. Spread the love you find, 'cause life's a colorful, jolly town.
Yay! Jollytown is in full color again!
Hooray! We did it, kids! Yoo-hoo!
Great, you guys.
Nasaan na yung kantada? What do we do with her?
You're right, Karina. We have to make sure she doesn't turn Jollytown black and white again.
That's right.
I know. What if we invite her to play sports?
Naku,
Huh?
ayaw niya maglaro.
Why not?
Maybe we can try talking to her first.
Mahirap kausapin ang engkantada. Hindi siya nakikinig.
I could try to invent something. Maybe something to change her heart.
Baka yun ang kailangan natin.
I may need some of this for my special invention.
Wonder what it
What are
is.
you doing?
Oh,
Yum, do you need help?
yeah, let's go to my lab. Popo, we may need your help too.
Sure thing. Say no more.
Best of luck, you guys. See you later.
Bye, kids.
See ya.
Bye.
Bye. Oh.
Oh, hey.
Come on. Hey, look, it's coming back.
Yeah.
coming back.
Whoa, yeah.
All right.
Wow, that song and dance really works.
Oo nga, kasi kapag kumakanta at sumasayaw tayo, parating masaya.
That's right. Okay, Yum, what's your plan?
Well, we need to use some of this magic from the well.
Uh-huh.
Ayan. Lagay lang natin to. Yan.
Oh, para saan?
Kailangan magbago ang engkantada.
Tama. She needs to have a change of heart.
Change of heart?
That's the only way we'll be sure that Jollytown will be safe and will remain in full color.
Bakit kaya siya galit na galit sa mga kulay?
Yeah.
Di ko alam. Baka nasanay na siya sa madilim at malungkot na buhay.
At wala din siyang kaibigan.
Oo nga. Kawawa naman ang engkantada. She must be really lonely, huh?
Huh.
I wish she would let us be her friends.
What can we invent that will make her change?
I think she needs to learn how to be happy.
Yep. She also needs to learn how to make new friends.
How can we teach her how to be a jolly friend?
You see, if only we can share some of Jollytown's magic.
Magic?
I think you're both right. She needs to see herself as a jolly friend.
That's right.
Oh.
And 5, 6, 7, 8. And that's the dance. Yay! That's right. Good job. Hey, look. You're back. Hi.
Hey, everyone.
We're back. Any luck, guys?
Look what we got.
What's that, Young?
It's a magic mirror to help change Encantada's heart.
But that's no ordinary magic mirror. Yum used some of the magic pixie dust from the well.
Yep. I sure hope it works.
Oh, I'm sure it will.
Yeah.
Hey. Now it's time for you.
Ang Encantada! Jollytown might lose its colors again.
Bakit bumalik ang kulay ng Jollytown? Nabago ko na ang Jollytown, di ba? Nawala na kayo ng kulay, tawa at saya. Di ba? Di ba?
Karina!
Hey.
Wait! Dito sa Jollytown, lahat kami magkakaibigan at nagtutulungan. So, palaging masaya at makulay.
Tama. Jollytown will always be the happiest place.
That's right.
Yan ang akala ninyo. I'll never be happy. I don't want to be happy.
Why not?
Ay! Oh no! Baka wala na naman ang kulay natin.
Never again.
I don't think so.
Come on, everyone. Let's show her what Jollytown is all about.
That's right, Jollibee. Kaya kids, sali kayo ha.
Put a smile on your face, that's a good way to start. The world's a colorful place with a song in your heart.
Stop it!
Whoa.
Stop that! Stop singing and dancing!
Hey, come on,
I don't want to be happy!
Keep dancing.
Do it, Yum.
Singing.
Come on!
There we go. Do this. What is happening to me?
Yes, it's working. There we go.
Hey, look at me. I'm dancing.
Yes, you are. How do you feel?
I don't know. I feel... kakaiba to. I've never felt this before.
You're right.
Is this how it feels to be happy?
That's it.
Of course you're happy. You're in Jollytown.
Yeah.
Wow, hindi ko inakalang masaya palang sumayaw at kumanta.
Mas lalong masaya kapag may kaibigan kang kasama. And you're in the perfect, happiest place. You're in Jollytown.
Right.
Hey, here's another song for you.
Jollytown is the place for me. We can play